recording. All right, now we're learning a Moon River, and here's our tempo. We're doing it so slowly at first because we've done some chord substitutions here. And so this will be a nice play along, sing along, sort of sing along. It's a little low for us. So here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Moon river, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever I'm going, you're going my way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbow's end, waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend.